Hello everyone, you're welcome to the Don's Consult, where we make chemistry very simple. And today I have a question for you. It has to do with Mole's volume relationship, which has to do with mole concept, and this is very simple. The question is a JAMB question, and let's see how it goes. It says, how many moles of H2SO4 are there in 50 cm cube of 0.108 mole per dm cube solution of the acid? Which acid? The H2SO4. Alright, if you see a question like this which has to do with only one concept, which is the H2SO4 that was given, other times we have more than one compound that we can use to relate, or an equation. In this case there is no equation, so you have to imagine one for yourself using the H2SO4. So we have to assume that, as the question says, how many moles of H2SO4, you were not given any number of that H2SO4, so imagine it to be 1. So we are given the other one in mole per dm cube. Alright, so that H2SO4 supposedly is to be 1 mole. Alright, 1 mole. Okay, then the next thing you need to crack is 0.108 mole per dm cube. You need to understand what that statement means. It means that we have 0.108 moles in 1000 cm cube. Right? Because you remember that 1000 cm cube equals 1 dm cube. So when they say any number in mole per dm cube, it means that number of moles in 1000 cm cube. Now the question is, how many mole would you have in 50 cm cube? That's the expression of the question, and with this you can solve it mathematically. So that will be x equals 0.108 multiplied by 50, following the arrows, is that right? For those that have little mathematical problem, divided by 1000. Okay, so the next thing you punch with your calculator as I get mine. Okay, so let's punch it together so that we can all do it together. Okay, so I punch 0.108 multiplied by 50. Okay, then you divide it by 1000. What do you have? Okay, all right, let's have it. That will be 0.0054 moles. Simple. If you want to convert it to standard form, if the options are in standard form, it will be 5.4 times 10 raised to the power minus 3, and that is how simple chemistry can be. That is our job here at the Don's Consult. We bring you questions that look somehow trickish, we solve it here, make it simple. Follow up if you have not pressed the subscription button, and watch out for more. Thank you.